What's up, beautiful people? So I'm coming on here to let you guys know about the update for the YaYa Mayweather situation. If you don't know, um, earlier in the month of April, YaYa stabbed another woman who is related to NBA YoungBoy, which is his baby mother. So apparently now there is a verdict being stated that she may face up to 99 years in prison for allegedly stabbing that young woman and um, her child. So I read the article and it's basically stating that she may receive up to 99 years in prison or get slapped with a fine of $10,000. So she has to wait until August to report back in court, and she's going to plead not guilty for this at all. Before, she went AWOL, she wrote on Twitter, oh my bad, on Instagram that no, I'm not okay. I'm really effed up in the head. I hate to say it. Can y'all just leave me alone? So apparently she's feeling however she's feeling. I don't want to be biased in the situation because I don't know the backstory. I'm being real with you. I'm just an outsider hearing that she stabbed another pregnant woman in the kitchen at NBA young boy's house, so we don't never know what's really going on. We don't know what's going on behind closed doors and stuff like that, but this I hope is an eye-opener for her, so that way she can be able to see that how that situation is not really going to bring her in the right direction. Because if she gets a slap on her hand, she should say that's a thank to God that she gets a slap on the hand and she gets to walk away and don't have no problems. But it could have been worse. So she should look at that. Hopefully she gets that slap on her hand and she learns to distance herself from him and situations like that.